With India reporting its biggest single-day spike in cases since mid-September, Prime Minister Modi chaired a high-level meeting to review the COVID situation and the vaccination program amidst a surge in coronavirus crisis. Sources said top officials including Cabinet Secretary, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister, Health Secretary and Niti Aayog member Vinod Paul attended this meeting. India has been registering a steady increase in COVID cases for the 25th day in a row with 93,249 fresh infections. India saw the biggest daily surge in COVID cases since mid-September, taking the tally to over 1.24 crore cases. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live for the very latest on this. Ashutosh, what are you picking up in terms of the inside track on this high-level meeting that has been chaired by none other than the Prime Minister on the COVID crisis and the vaccination drive in India?
Well, Chaiti, this meeting was chaired by Prime Minister in presence of the Cabinet Secretary, Health Secretary, the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister and Dr. V.K. Paul, of course, the head of the V.K. Paul Committee. So in this meeting, the focus was on strengthening the measures to contain the outbreak that we are noticing in several states, including Maharashtra, the national capital, where suddenly you have seen that how within 15 days the cases from 400 to gone have more than 3,000. Even today across the country, the cases are reported more than 90,000. And if you remember, just days back, it was hardly 45 to 50,000 cases per day. So that seems to be another, this third, you call it third wave or the fourth wave is really very dangerous situation, and perhaps why the Prime Minister chaired this meeting. Apart from that, there was also emphasis on the vaccination program, as we know the third phase program where the 45 age plus are giving vaccination. So how to expedite this situation, and many states have also ordered to continue the vaccine process even on the day of weekends, Sunday or even the other ops. So at the same time, Prime Minister sharing, they have to see whether the centre going to issue further guidelines, because several states, as we know, the Maharashtra is also considering about imposing lockdown, though the national capital, the Chief Minister said there will be no lockdown. So clearly there is a need of strategy further to contain this outbreak as soon as possible, and that's exactly why the Prime Minister chaired this meeting. And now all eyes are on the Home Ministry, whether there will be a fresh guidelines for all the states how to tackle this pandemic, as all the states are now eyeing on the centre, and they have been leading from the day one. Now there is a need of new guidelines and new restrictive measures to contain this outbreak. Chaiti.
Absolutely. Ashutosh Mishra getting us this report from the national capital, getting us all the details as far as what took place and transpired in the high-level meeting chaired by the Prime Minister. Ashutosh, we're going to keep coming back to you for more on this.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.